Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is from a year one student. But I think it is actually a question quite similar to DSE M1, the subject of DSE M1. Therefore, I think you can treat that this question is both suit for the student who study in year one or either a year one or M1 student. Okay, and for the size of the burn preparation, T years after introduction of new food sources can be modeled by the function. Okay, you can see this is very similar to the DSC M1 question. By this function, PT equal to this function. What is a preparation at the time when the new food sources is introduced? It means T equal to, this is T equal to 0. P0, 500 times 12 plus e to the power, x times e to the power 0 is 0. 0 times e to the power 0. Okay, this must be, let me use the calculator. 5,000 times 20. 10, no, not 10. 100,000. Okay. For part B, what is the preparations change during the second year after the new food sources introduced? It means that during the second years, it means in general, it means P2 minus P1. Okay, then P1 is this. And minus P2. Okay, let me use calculator. It is not easy for me to use this calculator because the number is very complicated. Okay. For the first part, I calculate. I correct to integer only. And for the second part, okay, let me see. I have to calculate it carefully. I don't want to make any mistake here. Okay, after the subtracted from this one, P2 minus P1. Oh, negative. I think the food is decreasing. The food sources is decreasing. Okay. C, for part C, what will eventually happen to the burn preparation at long time? Long one means t tends to infinity. Limit t tends to infinity, pt. Okay, it is not easy to do that, to find out the result. And here I have to illustrate some points. Y equal to e to the power 0.1. The function is like that. This is 1. Therefore, t tends to infinity if e to the power minus t, e to the power minus 0.1 t is tend to 0. Therefore, this part is tend to 0. And for this part, I have to calculate carefully. Therefore, I better write separately. And this is 5,000 times 12 is 60,100. And the second part is 0. The third part is and for the third part, e to the power x is equal to 1 plus x over 1 third plus x squared over 2 third. Therefore, I have to expand this exponential function. And this after expansion is equal to 1 plus sorry. And I write this into the denominator. And then t 1 plus 0.1 t plus 0.1 t squared, all square. Okay, and then factorize t in denominator. And cancel these two. This is 10 to 0. This 10 to 0. This 10 to 0.1. This 10 to infinity. After this term, all terms are 10 to infinity. Therefore, this is 1 over infinity. The format of this one is 1 over infinity. Therefore, it is 0. The final limit is equal to 60,000. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, hope guys can enjoy this question. It's not easy for part C. Okay, any question you can send email to me or IG to me. Okay, and finally, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.